Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So another update has just landed for the Vivaldi web browser. And this is the third point release that's been made available now for version 7.1, which is the latest release. And the update just rolled out a short while ago today on the 11th of February. Now, once the update has been applied, if we just head into the About page, browser is sitting on version 7.1.3570.48, so it's just that point release. And the Chromium platform stays exactly the same as it was prior to this update rolling out. Now, this is a non-security bug fix update that includes key fixes according to Vivaldi. And there are 5 bug fixes that have been made available. Now, once again, there's a follow-up to a crash if you are using the browser on Linux, where on start on ARM64 for some users, the browser would crash on Linux. And there's a session recovery fix where discarded tabs, the option was hanging for a while in a session recovery. And if you use the speed dial, I don't, but if you do, apparently newly added entries were losing icons after restart. So I think that's a small significant little fix. And the What's New page was not displaying and showing up after minor updates. Normally when you do a minor update or any update to Vivaldi, you get a tab telling you what's new. So that's also been addressed. And then something I posted on, which rolled out quite a while back in a version upgrade to Vivaldi, is Vivaldi reports as Edge to Bing.com, because if you are trying to access Copilot from a non-Edge browser, as an example, Microsoft blocked non-Edge browsers from Copilot, and there is a fix and an improvement for that as well. So that's it. That's the 5 fixes that have rolled out. There are no security fixes that have rolled out with this update. It's just those key fixes, according to Vivaldi, that have been addressed with this minor point release update. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.